Hey everybody, it's me, Mr. Scott, and we're back for Guess the Animal Sound Part 2. All right, so what we're going to do once again is we're going to need this sheet from the binder, and what we're going to do is listen to the various animal sounds, and we're going to point to what you think it is after listening to it. So we're going to follow along together and listen carefully and make some guesses. All right, so here's our first one right now. What could that be? Let's see, one more time, we'll listen to it. All right, everybody, it's time to guess. It's a bee. All right, nice job, guys. Moving on. All right, let's see. Let's guess what's next here. All right, listen carefully. Here we go. What could that be? All right, one more time. Then it's going to be time to guess. All right, everybody. Time is up. All right, it's a frog. Nice job, everyone. You're doing great. All right. Okay, listen carefully here. All right, guys, what do you think that is? All right, let's see what our guess is, everybody. It's a horse. Nice job, guys. Way to go. Okay, up next. All right, listen carefully. Here we go. Let me think. All right, what do you guys think? Let's see. It's a pig. Nice job, everybody. It's a pig. These are all different things that you might hear on a farm. All right, up next here we have two more. All right, listen carefully, everyone. Here we go. Wake up! Let's see, play it one more time. What do you guys think? All right, everybody, it's a rooster. All right, way to go. Okay, one more here. All right, let's listen carefully. Here we go. Sometimes one of these guys might come to the farm late at night. You never know. All right, one more time. All right, everybody, it's a wolf. Uh-oh. All right, guys, great job, everybody. These are different things you might hear around the farm. You can feel free to practice making the animal sounds also on your own. And great job, everybody. I'll see you guys soon. All right, thanks.